इससे पहले कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी में लेक्चर के दौरान राहुल गांधी ने मरकजी हुकूमत पर हमला बोला है। राहुल गांधी ने बोला है कि हिंदुस्तान में जमहूरियत खतरे में है। राहुल ने कहा कि मीडिया और अदलिया पर सरकार का कंट्रोल है। साथ ही राहुल ने एक बार फिर से पेगासस के जरिए जासूसी का इल्जाम लगाया और कहा कि बहुत से खुफिया अफसरान ने मुझे फोन पर बात करते वक्त मोहतात रहने को कहा है। 1 घंटे लंबे लेक्चर में राहुल ने अपने ऊपर कई मुजरिमाना मामले दर्ज कराने का भी दावा किया।
Everybody knows, and it's been in the news a lot, that Indian democracy is under pressure, is under attack, right? I'm an opposition leader in India, and we're navigating that space. What's happening? The institutional framework, which is required for a democracy, parliament, a free press, the judiciary, just the idea of mobilization, just the idea of moving around, these are all getting constrained. So we are facing an attack on the basic structure of Indian democracy. In the Constitution, India is described as a union of states, and that union requires a negotiation, requires a conversation. So it's slightly different than other countries. You can think about it much more at the scale of Europe, right? Multiple different states, much bigger than Europe, requiring a conversation and a negotiation to actually move forward. And it's that negotiation that is actually coming under attack and under threat, right?
पेगासस मामले पर क्या कहा राहुल गांधी ने, इसे भी सुनिए।
Capture and control of media and the judiciary, surveillance and intimidation. I myself had Pegasus on my phone. Large number of politicians have Pegasus on my phone, on their phone. I've been called by intelligence officers who tell me, listen, please be careful what you're saying on the phone, because we are sort of recording this stuff. So this is a constant pressure that we feel.